Hello guys, today I've got Sennheiser Momentum 5 and I'm going to show you if there is any application available for your headphones in your Android phone. Yes, there is an application which is compatible with our headphones. This application's name is Smart Control Plus app. Sorry for the lag. Smart Control Plus app. It's a little long. Plus app. Smart Control Plus app. And here I've got Sennheiser Smart Control Plus. Okay, so without app. Sennheiser Smart Control Plus. This is our application. If you want to know how to download this application, check our channel because we have a video for that. Goodbye.